Hello guys, welcome back to another awesome Minecraft video by Sean's Gaming, obviously. Today I'll be showing you how to create a redstone turret in Minecraft Pocket Edition 14 or 0.14.0. Now first you need to dig a 3x4 hole 1 block down in the ground. Then fill it up with any block of choice. You put cobblestone wall each end. You put a layer on top. Then you choose this place would be the back of your turret. Then you place a redstone comparator right there, and then you place your dispenser, and you should get some arrows. Then you want to place the redstone right around so it goes around. Then you place it on the dispenser, crouch. Then you place the lever on the back. Turn it on. You hear it? Turn it off. Then just fill these spaces, and you can put slabs on top. Then you fill it with arrows. When you flip the lever, it will rapid fire. So that's it guys, another cool, awesome redstone machine in Minecraft. Now you can see it's all other arrows. Yeah, that's it. Bye.